Zellido.com. How to clean and care for your kidneys. Your kidneys are one of the most important organs in the body. Read more about how to care for them and some natural remedies to keep them healthy. In reality, there's no way of knowing if your kidneys are in need of cleaning. However, those who undergo kidney cleaning or detoxification treatment say that they feel much better afterward. Also, many ailments tend to go away, such as strong headaches, fatigue, abdominal pain, and skin problems. During the detoxification process, keep in mind that some people may experience severe headaches. However, you shouldn't be discouraged, or worse, stop the treatment, as these symptoms are very common and normal to experience during detoxification therapy. Here are some tips on how to clean and maintain healthy kidneys. How do you know if you need to clean your kidneys? Although there's no procedure that can tell you if your kidneys are in need of cleaning, there are certain warning signs and conditions that can help lead you to consider this kind of treatment. If you have kidney stones, or if you suffer from fluid retention, kidney infections, or type 2 diabetes, then a kidney cleaning treatment could be beneficial. Although, these are only some of the reasons why your kidneys might need cleaning. A kidney cleaning regimen should only be undertaken if recommended and supervised by a specialist. They will usually suggest that you drink plenty of liquids, especially water, to help eliminate all of the toxins found in the kidneys. Drinking water is a great way to guarantee that your kidneys are functioning correctly. Ideally, you should drink 8 glasses per day or 2 liters. In order to ensure you get the most out of your cleanse, you should eat a low-protein diet as well as eliminate dairy products, chicken, fish, and shellfish during the time you are doing the treatment. It is also important to avoid caffeine, chocolate, and all other foods that increase the buildup of calcium oxalate and uric acid in the kidneys. This is because they can cause the formation of kidney stones. How can you detoxify your kidneys? Many herbs boast spectacular natural health benefits. If you're cleaning your kidneys, you should try to incorporate a variety of plants into your diet, such as horsetail. This can be taken in teas to stimulate the function of the kidneys and the urinary tract. It's also great for helping with fluid retention and general problems with the kidney and the bladder. Juniper, dandelion, ginger, nettle, parsley, red clover, goldenrod, and mallow root, all of these herbs have excellent health benefits when treating kidney problems, and all can be taken as a tea. Additionally, you can combine these herbs in different ways, which will increase their effectiveness. Here are several different foods that can help maintain kidney health. Banana, celery, cucumber, nuts and seeds, papaya, potato, pumpkin, watercress, watermelon. All these foods are vital for our bodies when it comes to keeping our organs healthy, especially our kidneys. Despite the importance of undergoing a kidney cleaning treatment, make sure you don't do it too often. This can actually be harmful to your health and lead to bigger problems. Thus, before starting this kind of treatment, you should always consult a specialist who can tell you what sort of treatment you need as well as how often. How do you prevent kidney problems? For the prevention of kidney problems, your first and best option is water. This is because it's very important to keep your body constantly hydrated. You can reduce your chances of getting kidney infections simply by staying hydrated. As we said before, watermelon is one of the best foods to maintain healthy kidneys, as it's packed with water, basically a diuretic, and recommended as a natural remedy to prevent kidney problems. To prevent kidney disease, in particular, kidney stones, you should avoid alcoholic beverages, beets, chard, spinach, soy, wheat germ, and peanuts. Chocolate is also very harmful to kidney health. Natural remedies for kidney stones. If you still find yourself with kidney stones, you can turn to some of the following natural remedies. Mix a little olive oil with lemon zest and a bit of apple cider vinegar. Take a spoonful of this mixture and the pain will go away. If the pain returns, you can repeat the process every hour. Passion fruit juice is also very useful in eliminating kidney stones. Another very effective remedy is a dandelion root infusion, which can be taken 2 or 3 times a day. Magnesium is another substance which can help prevent the growth of kidney stones, avoiding the painful symptoms that they cause. A quantity of 300 milligrams a day is enough. It's important to know which foods provide these benefits and include them in your diet. It's a simple way to keep stones out of your body. When you're dealing with an organ as important as your kidneys, it's important to take all the preventative steps necessary. As the old saying goes, better safe than sorry. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thanks for watching.